I look after my postpartum hair. I've just taken my braids out and look at how nice, thick and long it's gone. I have made sure not to relax my hair because relaxing it makes it weaker and then it breaks even more. As you know, when you're pregnant, your hair grows longer, thicker, shinier. It's all beautiful. But as soon as you have that baby, give it a few months, you start losing the hair. So I have been practicing a few things. If you can see over here, I've lost some hair on the hairline. But it's not too much breakage. It's not as much as I thought I would have. So my hair has grown long and I will not be relaxing it for another year because I'm trying not to lose as much. So I use rosemary oil, as you can see there. I have the applicator. I put it on my scalp and then all over